Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound dollar is kind of continuing to be a little bit on the sideways side. Because of my US dollar index, I think there's a good chance that this is going to drift up a little bit more. And I think this is actually probably all part of a correction to the last move down. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. I think this is like a wave A right here. I think this is like a little running wave B. And I think we're going to drift up probably to maybe even the 78% or the 68% for a wave C. Then I think we're going to take it down to a much, much lower Fibonacci level because I do think there is a chance that we are seeing the end of a wave 5 on the higher time frames, like the daily, maybe even the end of a wave 1. And if it really is the end of a wave 1, it's going to turn into a much, much bigger pullback. Even if it just decides to make a correction to these last 5 waves, it would also more than likely be a pretty big pullback. So I'm looking at this move up as likely being a correction to this last wave down, and I will be looking at our Fibonacci levels for a possible short. So otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.